Hello everyone, welcome to Sophisticated DIY. In today's video, I'm gonna give you 2 tiny tricks that will change everything in your sewing life. So let's go! For the first trick, you are gonna learn how to stop fighting with your straps. I'm making a top for my doll. She's going to Pilates class with it, and I need 2 straps that will be a spaghetti strap in normal regular sewing. So pretty much I need a zipper foot, and I need this cord. It's called rat tail. I'm gonna take my rat tail and I'm gonna wrap it on my fabric. And of course, the correct side of the fabric, it will be in. Then I'm gonna sew that, and I'm gonna sew it very well. And I'm gonna pivot the material to sew the strap all along. When I finish sewing, as you can see, I kind of have a lot of seam allowance, so I'm gonna cut out all that seam allowance. And you will see that you didn't need any turning tool. I just need to pull down that rat tail and it will turn my strap and it will be crisp and nice. Super beautiful. As you can see, this is a tiny detail, but it will make a huge difference when you need to make a spaghetti strap and very thin strap. This method allows you to do even thinner straps. I just want mine in this size. Now that my 2 spaghetti straps are ready, I can finish my top. As you can see, it's looking good. I made it crisscross, and here you go. This is my top. Super fine finish, very easy. For the next trick, I bet you that nobody showed you that. You will see how this changed everything for you. I'm gonna shorten the zipper in a way that it will look original. Yes! First of all, I'm gonna start trying to find a stopper. I buy stoppers, like a back stopper, because I do alterations for a living. So I'm always replacing zippers, so I have to have a lot of tools related to replacing zipper or fixing zippers. But when you are sewing miniature, very often the zippers are too long. If you don't have a backup stopper like me, you can just take the original one. I'm just too lazy to remove it. But as you can see, it's very easy to remove. You just have to be a little careful. You are going to open those teeth, and then you carefully can just save the stopper and then reuse it. Well, let's work. I'm going to place the stopper at the end of the zipper, where you want the zipper to stop, of course. And as you can see, I have my trick to put it on. I start from the back of the zipper with the 2 teeth, and then I punch it in, and then I just close those teeth, and it takes a little bit of time, but it's perfect. Do you see? So when I finish with the first one, I'm gonna do exactly the same with the second one at the other side of the zipper. Here you go. You see, you have to be careful, and it's very easy. I'm telling you, I wish I learned this sooner. I spent most of half of my career trying to find the zipper or not having this knowledge. Now that my 2 stoppers are on, I'm gonna cut out the excess of the zipper, leaving about 3/4 inch or so. And if you want, you can burn a little bit the edge. Be careful, that way it won't come undone. There you go. Now I'm gonna show you something that you might not have seen it. Look at that. Can you see? The coil of the zipper is attached to the tape through a sewing. So there is a sewing here, and this is a chain stitch. The chain stitch is very easy to open. So what I'm looking for now is to open that seam. See, I found the loop, I pull it out, and that's it. You see how I took the thread up, stop at the stopper part, and then I just need to cut the excess of coil, and I will have my zipper like the original. You see? Please comment zipper if this is helping you. Now I'm gonna do exactly the same at the other side, and look at that. This is an original zipper, and as you can see, it looks exactly the same as our new version. This is part of our next week video where I'm gonna show you how to make the whole jacket. But I wanted to separate that part of the zipper because I knew that you can just save that trick so you have it in your watch later list so you can access to it whenever you want. And here you go. This is my girl. These are the two ladies. They are going to the gym. If you find this video useful or entertaining, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Bye!